Hey, welcome to a new video. Our planet hosts an impressive variety of animals, some equipped with deadly adaptations that enable them to survive. These animals have developed unique features to compete in the ruthless world of nature. Today we'll show you the 20 animals that are the deadliest to humans. Are you new to this channel? Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And before we start, also like the video. Number 20. In the vastness of the ocean, there's a few creatures that command the respect and awe that sharks do. As apex predators, they sit atop the marine food chain. An estimated 6 deaths per year is a rough estimate of fatal shark attacks worldwide. Most shark attacks on humans occur due to mistaken identity or curiosity rather than a deliberate attempt to consume people. But what happens when it does? Sharks are dangerous due to their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, allowing them to move swiftly through the water at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. This agility enables sharks to ambush their prey with lightning-fast strikes, using their razor-sharp teeth to tear through flesh and bones. However, it's their highly developed senses that make sharks the ocean's top predators. Their acute sense of smell allows them to detect even the faintest scent of blood over great distances. In addition to their sense of smell, sharks possess a unique electroreception system, small sensory organs called Lorenzini and Pullae, which enables them to detect the electric fields generated by the muscle contractions of potential prey. This remarkable sense helps sharks locate concealed or camouflaged prey. Number 19. Wolves, known for their keen hunting skills and pack mentality, have built a fearsome reputation throughout history. While their primary diet consists of hooved animals, encounters with humans have been documented. Fatal wolf attacks on humans are rare, but it can occur in situations involving territorial disputes, rabies, or encounters with habituated wolves. The most infamous case was the Beast of Gevaudan in the 18th century, where an estimated 100 people fell victim to wolves. Today it's estimated that wolves are responsible for approximately 10 fatal attacks per year. Wolves are skilled and efficient hunters, possessing powerful jaws with sharp teeth designed to rip through meat and bones. They're also known for their exceptional teamwork and cooperation during the hunt. Wolves coordinate their movements, communicate through vocalizations and body language, and employ strategic tactics to encircle and overpower their prey. They have incredible endurance, allowing them to sustain long pursuits of prey. They can maintain a high pace for extended periods, wearing out their prey and increasing their chances of successful kills. And just when you think you've finally escaped, remember that wolves have a keen sense of smell and hearing, aiding them in tracking prey over long distances. Their smell is highly developed, allowing them to detect scents and follow potential targets with precision. Number 18. Beneath the calm waters of the ocean and seas, the jellyfish await, concealing its powerful sting. Armed with toxic tentacles and equipped with specialized cells called nematocysts, jellyfish are responsible for approximately 40 deadly victims per year. Species like box jellyfish are particularly infamous for their potent venom. Found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific region, they possess tentacles filled with stinging cells. When a human comes into contact with the tentacles of a box jellyfish, its nematocysts are activated, releasing venom into the victim's skin. The sting of a box jellyfish is described as an intense burning or stinging sensation. The pain can be immediate and severe, often causing the person to scream or wriggle in agony. The venom affects the nervous system and induces symptoms such as muscle cramps, breathing difficulties, chest pain, and even cardiac arrest. Another perilous species is the Portuguese man-o'-war, which floats on the ocean's surface and can deliver painful and potentially deadly stings. These jellyfish use their venom to immobilize their prey, primarily consisting of small fish and plankton. However, unintended encounters with humans can occur during swimming or diving expeditions, resulting in stings and, in severe cases, systemic reactions. Number 17. Renowned for its grace, strength, and striking appearance, the tiger is both a symbol of power and a formidable predator. Among its subspecies, the Bengal tiger has a high number of attacks on humans. Encroachment into their territories and the loss of their habitat has led to more encounters between humans and tigers, sometimes with fatal outcomes. It's estimated that tigers claim approximately 50 victims per year. They're capable of silently stalking their prey, utilizing camouflage and stealthy movements to close in. Tigers often rely on ambush tactics, using their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to deliver a deadly bite into the neck or throat of their prey. In some cases, a tiger that has successfully preyed on humans may develop a pattern of man-eating behavior. This can be a learned response if the tiger finds it easier and more rewarding to target humans rather than natural prey. The Champawat tiger, a Bengal tiger, was responsible for an estimated 436 deaths in Nepal in the early 20th century. Number 16. Bees, with their essential role as pollinators, are generally considered beneficial creatures. However, the defensive nature and ability to deliver painful stings can make them dangerous, especially in cases of allergic reactions or multiple stings. While most bee stings result in mild discomfort, a small percentage of the population is highly allergic, and anaphylactic reactions can occur. It's estimated that bees cause approximately 60 deaths per year worldwide. These deaths are typically the result of anaphylactic shock, which occurs in individuals with severe allergies to bee venom. When stung, bees release a pheromone that incites other bees to attack, potentially leading to multiple stings. What makes bees particularly hazardous is their ability to execute mass-coordinated attacks when they perceive a threat to their colony. Although the sting of a single bee is not lethal, the cumulative effects of multiple stings can be fatal, especially if the stung person is allergic. Believe it or not, bee venom has been used in alternative medicine, specifically in a practice known as apitherapy. It's believed that the venom has an anti-inflammatory property. However, it's crucial to note that bee venom therapy should only be performed under the supervision of a trained professional due to potential risks and allergies. Number 15. Lions, often referred to as the kings of the savannah, are majestic and powerful predators. Their interactions with humans, particularly in regions where human settlements encroach upon their habitats, can lead to conflicts. It's estimated that lions cause between 100 and 200 deaths per year, primarily in Africa. What makes lions dangerous is their combination of strength, speed, and cooperative hunting behavior. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth capable of delivering a swift and fatal bite. Their ability to run at high speeds, up to 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour, enables them to chase down their prey. Conflicts with lions often arise when lions come into contact with livestock or humans inadvertently enter their territories. Factors such as habitat loss, population growth, and the decline of lion prey can increase the likelihood of such encounters. Number 14. Hippos, seemingly calm and herbivorous giants, are responsible for a surprisingly high number of deaths each year. It's estimated that hippos cause approximately 500 deaths annually, mainly in the sub-Saharan Africa. What makes hippos dangerous is their territorial nature and aggressive behavior, particularly when they feel threatened, defend their young, or protect their water sources. Despite their herbivorous diet, hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. Hippos are the third largest land mammal, with males weighing up to 7,716 pounds, or 3,500 kilograms. As a result, hippos possess incredible strength and powerful jaws that effortlessly crush bones. Their jaws are equipped with long canines that can grow up to 20 inches or 51 centimeters long. They can also run at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, making them deceptively fast despite their hefty size. There's been incidents from Taiwan to Zambia where hippos even capsized tourist boats, attacked, and dragged people underwater. Number 13. Elephants, with their immense size, strength, and intelligence, are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Interestingly, elephants have a complex social structure and exhibit remarkable intelligence. They display empathy, problem-solving abilities, and even more in their dead. Elephants also possess an exceptional memory, allowing them to remember individuals and locations of resources such as water holes and migration routes over vast distances. While they're generally peaceful herbivores, their interactions with humans can occasionally turn deadly. It's estimated that elephants cause between 500 and 600 deaths per year. What makes elephants dangerous is their sheer size and power. The African elephant, the largest land mammal, can weigh up to 13,228 pounds, or 6,000 kilograms, and stand over 10 feet, or 3 meters tall, at the shoulder. Their tusks to use for defense and digging can reach lengths of over 6 foot 7 inches, or 2 meters. When elephants feel threatened, especially when protecting their young or encountering humans, they can exhibit aggressive behavior. They may charge, trample, or use their tusks to injure or kill perceived threats. Number 12. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles that have roamed the earth for millions of years, known for their ferocity and adaptability. They're formidable predators and are responsible for approximately 1,000 deaths per year. What makes crocodiles dangerous are their powerful jaws, razor-sharp teeth, and surprising agility both in water and on land. They're opportunistic hunters and ambush their prey, which can range from fish and small mammals to larger animals like zebras and buffaloes. Crocodiles are perfectly designed for hunting. Their eyes and nostrils are located on top of their head, allowing them to hide in the water while remaining almost entirely submerged. With lightning-fast bursts of speed, they can launch themselves out of the water to surprise unsuspecting prey. When it comes to encounters with humans, crocodiles can be particularly dangerous near water where people swim or bathe. They're known for territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season or when their nests are threatened. An interesting fact about crocodiles is their ability to go without food for extended periods. They can survive on a single large meal for several months, adapting to environments with varying prey availability. Number 11. Tapeworms, although not large animals, have earned their place on this list of deadliest creatures due to the impact they have on human health. It's estimated that tapeworms are responsible for approximately 2,000 deaths worldwide each year. Tapeworms are parasitic flatworms that can infect humans through the consumption of contaminated food or water. Tapeworms have a long ribbon-like body composed of multiple segments called proglottids. These segments contain reproductive structures and can produce thousands of eggs. Once inside the human body, they attach themselves to the intestinal wall and can reach considerable lengths, sometimes even several meters. Tapeworms can also deprive the human host of essential nutrients, leading to malnutrition and weakness. In severe cases, tapeworms can migrate to other organs, including the brain, potentially causing life-threatening conditions. An interesting fact about tapeworms is their complex life cycle. They typically have multiple hosts, with humans acting as the definitive host. Intermediate hosts, such as pigs or cows, ingest tapeworm eggs, which can then develop into larvae. When humans consume raw or uncooked meat from those infected animals, they become the definitive host for the tapeworm. Number 10. Ascaris roundworms, also known as Ascaris lumbricoids, are parasitic worms that infect the intestines of humans. They're among the most common intestinal parasites worldwide and can cause significant health problems. It's estimated that Ascaris roundworms cause approximately 2,500 deaths per year, primarily in low-income regions with poor sanitation facilities and hygiene practices. The larvae penetrate the intestinal wall and migrate through the bloodstream to various organs. They mainly travel to the liver and lungs, but they can also reach other organs such as the brain or eyes. The worms can grow up to 1 foot or 30 centimeters long and reproduce rapidly within the human body. Ascaris infections can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals, manifesting as skin rashes, hives, or asthma-like symptoms, due to the immune system responding to the presence of the worms. When large numbers of worms are present, they can cause intestinal blockages, malnutrition, and growth impairments, especially in children. The eggs of the worms are excreted in human feces and can survive in the soil for extended periods. Ingesting contaminated soil sets off a complex journey for eggs and larvae through the body, eventually resulting in mature worms in the intestines. Number 9. Scorpions, known for their venomous stings, possess potent toxins. While not all scorpions are dangerous to humans, some can deliver venomous stings that can be life-threatening. It's estimated that scorpions cause approximately 3,300 deaths annually, mainly in the regions with limited access to medical care. What makes scorpions dangerous is their venom, which is injected into their prey or when they feel threatened. The venom contains a mixture of neurotoxins and other compounds that can cause a range of symptoms, from pain and swelling to more severe reactions, including respiratory and heart problems. Interestingly, scorpions have existed for hundreds of millions of years and have adapted to various environments, from deserts to tropical rainforests. They use their pincers to capture prey and their venomous tails to immobilize or kill it. Number 8. Setti Flies, found in sub-Saharan Africa, are notorious for transmitting a parasitic disease called African trypanosomiasis. They're responsible for approximately 10,000 deaths per year, primarily in rural areas. What makes Setti Flies dangerous is their ability to transport trypanosomes, the parasites that cause sleeping sickness, through their bite. When an infected fly bites a human, it injects parasites into the bloodstream, leading to a series of symptoms, including fever, fatigue, and neurological disorders. If left untreated, sleeping sickness can be fatal. There are 2 forms of African trypanosomiasis: the chronic form and the acute form. The acute form progresses rapidly and can be deadly within months, while the chronic form develops slowly over several years. They also pose a significant threat to livestock. They transmit trypanosomes that cause animal trypanosomiasis, commonly known as nagana. This disease affects cattle, horses, and other domesticated animals, leading to livestock losses, reduced milk production, and hindrance to agriculture development. Number 7. Assassin's bugs are blood-sucking insects capable of transmitting a parasitic disease known as Chagas disease. They're responsible for an estimated 10,000 to 12,000 deaths per year, mainly in Latin America. What makes them dangerous is their feeding behavior and their ability to transmit the parasite Trypanosomia cruzi, which causes Chagas disease. These insects typically bite humans, often around the face and lips. At night, while people sleep, they defecate near the bite wound. And if the feces with the parasite are accidentally rubbed into the bite or onto the mucous membranes, infection can occur. Chagas disease can lead to chronic health issues, including heart and digestive disorders. In severe cases, it can result in heart failure and sudden death. The disease primarily affects impoverished populations in rural and urban areas with inadequate housing and limited access to healthcare. An interesting fact about this insect is their unique appearance and feeding behavior. They have a cone-shaped head and a long tubular snout through which they pierce their prey's skin to suck blood. Despite their name, they're not typically aggressive, and usually bite humans as a defense mechanism or when seeking a blood meal. Number 6. Freshwater snails may not appear inherently dangerous at first glance, but they play a crucial role in the transmission of a parasitic disease called schistosomiasis. It's estimated that freshwater snails cause approximately 20,000 deaths annually, primarily in sub-Saharan Africa, South America, and parts of Southeast Asia. What makes freshwater snails dangerous is their role as intermediate hosts or parasitic flatworms of the genus Schistosoma. These flatworms release larvae into freshwater bodies, such as lakes and rivers, where snails act as hosts, facilitating their development. When people come into contact with water contaminated by these infected snails, the larvae can penetrate their skin, leading to the disease. Being infected can cause various health problems, including abdominal pain, bowel issues, liver damage, and in severe cases, organ failure. The disease affects millions of people worldwide, particularly those reliant on polluted water sources for daily activities. Number 5. Sandflies are tiny biting insects found in tropical and subtropical regions. They're responsible for transmitting various diseases, including leishmaniasis and Sandley fever. It's estimated that sandflies cause approximately 24,000 deaths per year, primarily in areas where these diseases are endemic. What makes sandflies dangerous is their ability to transmit pathogens while feeding on blood. Female sandflies require blood meals to develop eggs, and during the feeding process, they can transmit disease-causing parasites or viruses to humans. One of the most well-known diseases transmitted by sandflies is leishmaniasis. Symptoms range from skin ulcers to more severe systemic complications and can even be fatal. Another disease associated with sandflies is Sandley fever, a viral illness characterized by fever, headache, muscle, and joint pain. While Sandley fever usually resolves on its own, it can cause significant discomfort and impact the productivity of affected individuals. Sandflies are most active at dawn and dusk, and are often found in areas with dense vegetation or near animal habitats. Interestingly, only female sandflies bite humans because they require blood for reproductive purposes. Number 4. Dogs, known as man's best friend, have unfortunately earned a place on this list due to their involvement in attacks and the transmission of rabies. It's estimated that dogs cause approximately 25,000 to 59,000 deaths annually due to rabies. What makes dogs dangerous in terms of attacks is their aggression, which can be influenced by factors such as poor socialization, abuse, or protective instincts. While the majority of dogs are friendly and pose no danger, cases of dog attacks, particularly involving stray or unleashed dogs, can result in severe injuries, and in some cases, death. Rabies, a viral disease that affects the central nervous system, is another significant concern associated with dogs. Dogs are the primary reservoirs and transmitters of the rabies virus to humans. When an infected dog bites a person, the virus is transmitted through saliva, leading to potentially deadly infections. Preventing dog attacks involves responsible pet ownership, including training, socialization, and proper confinement of dogs. Number 3. Snakes with their venomous bites and powerful constrictions are often considered one of the deadliest creatures on Earth. It's estimated that snake bites cause approximately 138,000 deaths annually, primarily in rural and tropical areas where venomous snake species are prevalent. Venomous snakes possess specialized glands that produce venom when they inject into their prey through hollow fangs. Snake venom can contain various toxins, including neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and cytotoxins, which can cause severe damage to the nervous system, blood, and even tissues. Snake bites can result in a range of symptoms, including intense pain, swelling, bleeding, organ failure, and in severe cases, death. Interestingly, snakes exhibit remarkable diversity in size, habitat, and behavior. From the massive reticulated python to the venomous king cobra, they have captivated human curiosity for centuries. Such snake species, such as the black mamba and the inland tapir, are known for their potent venom, which can rapidly induce paralysis and death if not promptly treated. Number 2. Although humans may not be the traditional animals to consider in discussions about the deadliest creatures, it's important to note that humans belong to the animal kingdom based on biological classification. Humans have the capacity to inflict significant harm upon themselves and others. It's estimated that humans cause approximately 400,000 deaths annually due to various factors, including violence, accidents, and diseases. What makes humans dangerous is their complex nature, which includes remarkable intelligence, as well as the potential for destructive behavior. Human conflicts, wars, and acts of violence contribute to a significant number of deaths worldwide. Number 1. Mosquitoes are found in nearly every corner of the world, from the freezing Arctic regions to the hot and humid tropical areas. They're responsible for causing a substantial number of deaths each year. It's estimated that mosquitoes are annually responsible for approximately 725,000 deaths, primarily due to the diseases they transmit. What makes mosquitoes dangerous is the diseases they carry, such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, and various forms of encephalitis. Female mosquitoes are the ones that bite humans and other animals to obtain blood, which they need for egg production. During the feeding process, they can transmit pathogens from an infected host to a healthy individual, spreading diseases. Malaria affects millions of people worldwide, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, and can cause severe illness and death if not treated promptly. Other mosquito-borne diseases, such as dengue fever and the Zika virus, have garnered global attention due to their potential to cause outbreaks and serious complications, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. What's the most dangerous animal you've ever encountered? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos we've made, click one on the screen or take a look at the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.